guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna make a video about organization. I know it's weird, it's so unlike kids, but since we learned about organization in school, we're like, let's make a fun video. Funny, half amazingly smart, half educational of organization. So let's start. Who made this such a mess? Hana! What? Did you not organize the room? No, I was asleep all night. Who did it? Who? I don't know. Wait, the room is a mess. I think I know who did it. Moody! Moody, did you make a mess in the room? Yes. Slaps. How dare you, Moody, make a mess in the room? Where is my phone at? There it is. Suck up. What? I think someone sent me a video on YouTube. I'm bored. Maybe we should try to tidy up the room just in case. Hana rally. I'm mad at Laila. I should probably mess up the room. Heck is my dragonite. Hana went shopping. Maybe I could call her and tell her I'm sorry. Because she didn't organize the room. Now I also didn't organize the room. So we all have to learn that we need to be organized so things can be right. And types of organizations. Time, responsibility, being principled. Yeah. Oh, and I need to clean this mess. Ha! It's clean. It's magic. Let's go call Hana. Hey Hana, aren't you at the mall? Yeah, I am. I learned a lot of stuff. I'm sorry, Aunt. I learned a lot of stuff about. And I learned a lot about the stuff about organization, being responsibility, being principled, everything nuts. So, do you forgive me? Okay, I do. Thanks. When am I gonna end the call? I don't know. Well, I'm gonna end it now. Were you lonely? Yeah, but I learned something. That organization comes in very ways, like books, responsibility, being principled. And yeah. Well, we're gonna end the video now because bye, Miss Maggie, and bye the whole class.